Xiaomi just showed a dedicated AI box with 1.22 terabytes per second of memory bandwidth, the one spec that decides how fast a local model talks. 6 days earlier, Alibaba claimed its new RISC-V chip runs a 27 billion parameter model at 30 tokens a second with no GPU in the box. China already dominates the local AI model leaderboards. This month, DeepSeek gave away the harness that runs them. The box under your desk is the last layer they don't own. And now they're coming for it. Car makers watched Chinese EVs make this exact opening move and laughed. Will these AI boxes compete with regular machines, and does it make sense to buy one? 3 years ago, a local AI machine meant a gaming GPU, and the wall you hit was VRAM. 24 gigs bought your model a seat, and everything bigger stayed in the cloud. Two things broke that wall. Compression squeezed models down to a fraction of their size, and the new mixture of experts models store hundreds of billions of parameters but only wake a few per word. So capacity became more important than raw speed. Apple had accidentally built the right machine years earlier, when it gave Macs one big memory pool shared between CPU and GPU. The industry followed and a dedicated AI box was born. NVIDIA's DGX Spark, AMD's Strix Halo machines, the big memory Mac Studio, 128 gigs and up, sold on AI performance. Then the Spark taught everyone what a box really is. It ships with a 1 petaflop headline, and reviewers measured a dense 70 billion parameter model writing under 3 tokens per second on it. The petaflop measures compute, and compute is the part local inference barely uses. It sets how fast the box reads your prompt, but the speed you feel is the talking speed. To write each word, a model reads all of its active weights out of memory, so capacity decides what fits and memory bandwidth decides how fast it talks. The Spark moves 273 gigabytes a second. An RTX 5090 moves 1792, and tokens per second follow that gap almost 1-to-1. A box is a capacity play with a compute number on the sticker. Samsung, SK Hynix and Micron will make about 90% of the world's DRAM moved production towards HBM, the stacked memory data center GPUs eat. And consumer RAM prices went vertical. A 128 gig DDR5 kit that sold for $329 at its low, listed at $3,399 this month, which produces an absurd comparison. A $2,000 Strix Halo box contains 128 gigs of memory, a full computer for less than the price of the bare RAM kit. Right now the box is the cheapest seat to 100 plus gigs of model memory. And owners note their hardware isn't even depreciating while the shortage lasts. Don't mistake that for an escape hatch. The boxes are built from the same 3 suppliers' memory, bought earlier and soldered down. NVIDIA already raised the Spark's price by $700 and named memory supply as the reason. And Apple pulled first its 512 gig, then its 256 gig Mac Studio configs, leaving its best machine capped at 96 gigs. The box dodges retail pricing, not the shortage. The models came first. Pull up any local model leaderboard and count the Chinese labs. DeepSeek, Qwen, Kimi, GLM, the harness came second. 2 weeks ago, DeepSeek released its coding harness for free, the wrapper that turns a model into an agent, tuned so its own model performs best inside it. The box is Strike 3, and 2 announcements landed within a week of each other. Xiaomi's AI Cube carries the O100, a chip with memory stacked physically on top of the processor, wired through 28,000 connections. And that stack is where the 1.22 terabytes lives. It's Xiaomi's own figure for the speed next to the stack, not for the whole system. The box is a prototype with no price and no launch date. The chip is scheduled for 2027. And the on-stage demo ran a 3 billion parameter model at 330 tokens a second. And the bigger models Xiaomi talks about live on a second chip with up to 160 gigs of ordinary memory. outside that fast stack. Alibaba's 30 tokens a second comes from one slide for a 64-core configuration you can't buy, with no word on compression, memory setup or context length. And the chip carries built-in matrix engines, so a plain CPU did this oversells it. The local llama reaction is a buyer's checklist. What quant, meaning how compressed the model is, what context length, what's the prefill, the speed it reads your prompt before the first word, and what's the price. Write it down before you buy a box. NVIDIA's real product is CUDA, a decade of software that every AI tool supports first. And the Spark exists so the box on your desk speaks the same language as the data center. AMD attacks on price, with Strix Halo boxes at half the Spark's cost and a 192GB version announced. Apple's boxes carry the fastest memory of the class, though the shortage already ate its biggest configs, and you can now cluster Macs over Thunderbolt where one box isn't enough. Software is where the actual difference is, because the chip supports this model and your runtime has a fast kernel for it are different claims. One YouTuber pulled 10 times the throughput out of the same box and the same model by swapping and tuning the serving software. That's why the signal to watch for any new box, Chinese or American, is a llama.cpp or via LLM backend merged the week it ships. A chip nobody's runtime supports is a box with bricks? Chinese EVs ran the successful playbook. Start at the cheap end, get called a toy, and win through vertical integration. BYD owned the battery, the most expensive part of the car, and built everything else around it. Map that onto AI boxes and the pattern half fits. The model layer is already Chinese, and the chip design layer is funded and moving. Xiaomi's chip division has passed 3,000 people and 20 billion yuan of investment. But the battery of this industry is memory plus leading-edge manufacturing. And BYD never had to buy its batteries from a rival. TSMC makes Xiaomi's chips in Taiwan and takes 72% of the world's contract chip-making revenue, and the memory comes from the same 3 suppliers as everyone else's, which makes the O100's memory stacking trick the most interesting part of the whole announcement. It's an attempt to build the battery instead of buying it. If that box ships in 2027 at real capacity and a real price, the analogy stops being an analogy. Buy a box for exactly one reason: a big mixture of experts model you can't fit anywhere else. A $2,000 128GB box runs GPT-oss 120B at 30 plus tokens a second. And that class of model is where local AI is heading. If your model fits in 32 gigs, skip the box. A 1590 talks 6 times faster, and never buy one for a big dense model. The Spark's 3 tokens a second is what dense 70B feels like at this bandwidth class. The Chinese boxes are a watch list, with no price, date or benchmark. The standing forum advice says if you can wait, you wait, because hardware should get cheaper, right? And software gets better. If you need the capacity, buy it for a model you run today, not to anticipate 2027. We'll tell you when a Chinese AI box gets a price tag, ship date and a runtime backend merged the week it launches. That's when local AI gets its BYD moment, and your inference box might then wear the same logo as your rice cooker. Make sure to skip the signature edition though.